To help seas recover and function properly again, active nature restoration is important. One example is actively bringing back European flat oysters to offshore wind farm areas where natural oyster beds used to exist. Simply adding structures to create artificial habitat can locally increase the number of species, but this does not always restore how the ecosystem really works. Examples include eco-designed harbor walls or artificial reefs placed in offshore wind farms. These structures can attract life, but they are artificial and do not replace natural habitats. These examples are all referred to as nature-inclusive design measures. Such measures hence include a wide range of approaches, from fully restoring natural habitats to creating artificial ones. They can be grouped into three types, facilitating transparency on why opting for nature-inclusive design. This helps decision makers decide which ecological functions they want to support, while also considering social interests and possible negative ecological effects.